Welcome! We thought we'd give you an update on our porch. They've been working on it, and it's kind of a rainy, messy day, so it's a little nasty out here.
I'll show the rain.
Bottom line is we've been working hard, and we've got the siding up. We've got trim boards on the ends, walking in for the ceiling that'll go across here, stop here. All the poster set, trim boards on the ends, and like a base around the bottom. What I have left to do is I need to get a piece of plywood put into this window to cover it so that we can paint it and we paint the rest of this. I need to do the trim boards around the casing around the door. We did get a bracket set for that corner of the roof, so we don't need to deal with a post.
Where'd you find that?
Eileen found that at Architectural Salvage in Franklin. So we've incorporated that, and it saves us from having to deal with a porch post on that corner. So that's up and ready to roll. So I have the ceiling to do, just this part, all the way across. And then I have the door trim and the plywood, and I think that's it. Everything else is up. Oh, there's lattice to go on the sides. We've got the lattice over here that we're going to put on the sides of this porch to keep critters from getting underneath it, but that'll be quick and easy because it's just tacking it up on what's already there. So hopefully it'll be done tomorrow. We'll see.
Anything else?
That's it.